move out of the way, please?
You're a jerk.
Is it videoing?
Yes.
So what do we do now?
We're going to do.
You're just recording the TV?
Yes. Go. Come on. This TV isn't working.
It's not.
Is it?
It doesn't look like it. Mom?
Ugh, I almost took myself out with one grill.
Did you pick it up?
I went to like drag it and the whole fucking thing collapsed and then like a metal bar came out and just like rammed into my leg.
You didn't bleed it for me.
It's not heavy. I mean, it's just light. It was just awkward to pull.
Anybody don't say bad words.
Oh.
I don't think anybody did right there, did we? Oh, you're recording.
Here. Hi, handsome.
You're on the TV. You're supposed to be recording the TV?
Hop up, big girl. Hop up. Hop up.
Copying.
Hop up. Here. Hop up. Hop up. You can hop on up. Hop up. Hop. Hop up. Bye. No. See you later.
Oh, you're lighting around.
Bye.
Yeah.
Hello. Bye.
Wow, Mom, that was nice.
Can you fix
Not on purpose.
fix my city?
I don't know how to fix it. Can you not videotape me?
I'm
Also, why are there a pair of scissors on my couch? Somebody's gonna sit on that and get really seriously injured.
I'm trying to do that for my train
Mom
video.
has a hard time not getting injured already without scissors being on the couch. There might be one in a cup holder out here.
You're just. Is it like on the TV like I have?
But I don't have an ice maker.
You need trays. You don't have to have a maker.
What?
I don't have a maker. What? Get the scissors off my couch.
I'm going to.
Don't want to yell at you, but get them.
Here we go. We got them off the couch. We'll see what I got. Yay! We'll see what I got. Yay! I don't know what it is. We'll find out. I don't know yet what it is. We'll find out what it is. Yay! 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 We'll find out what it is.
That's a lot. Take up your water bottles off my floor and all your
Can you
trash.
put my train car on the table?
Nope.
Can I?
I'm going outside right now.
Okay.
Love you.
Hello. Hey, yay! We'll see what I got. We'll see what I got. refrigerator car, 793, 347. Burlington Order in Santa Fe Railway, BNSF, 793, 347. Here's the back side, the side, here the sides, and the bottom. And look, here are the things in the car, and look. And look, this is so cool. Look, Dogo, Daddy did this. Let's see, maybe. The total paper says, look, here's the paper order, and see this? The paper order says, look, Happy Father's Day, everyone. Today's Sunday, June 19th, 2022. And look, you see, look, the order paper. This is my BNSF Santa Fe refrigerator car. There we go. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. Hope you enjoyed my video. Stop. Yeah. No. Hey guys, I expect one more video coming your way today. Playing with Toy Trains folks in Georgia. We will be playing with my new BNSF refrigerator car on the red wooden train bridge. Today, everyone, with my Canadian National and Kansas City Southern engine. So I hope you like my video. So, bye, guys. Bye.